Alright, gents, it's your boys Dora Chats. Welcome back to my video. So in this video, we're going to look at the trade recaps. You see, I'm going to show you what happened today, like on both silver bullet and CRT. You see, the thing that I was teaching you yesterday, guys. If you are not familiar with this strategy, can you please go back to my previous video? You see. Yeah. So guys, personally, I did not take this trade because while I was in class, I didn't have a chance to take this trade. But then due like but then the time I arrived here at home, I looked at my charts, then I saw okay, like this is how the market went, you see, or this is how the market behaved. That's the thing that we must normalize doing each and every day. Check up the markets. You must show up, always show up on the markets, you see. So today let's just check this silver bullet trade, you see. That happened during what time? 10 to 11 South African time, guys, you see. Between 10 to 11 South African time. See, so what happened that guys? What did I say on my previous video? First thing first, I said that you mark your recent high before 10 a.m. South African time. Then you mark your recent low. You see, just like this. As you can see over here, the market did what? Swipe what? The low first. After sweeping the low first, that's where we're going to look for what? Our buying opportunities. You see, check liquidity sweep, minor market structure shift. I'm not saying major, minor market structure shift because here we're the market structure, minor market structure shift, minor market structure shift. You see, plus what? Plus the fair value gap. This tiny fair value gap over here that you see. You see, you see here with this fair value gap. So immediately went toward the low, then it went back up, minor market structure shift plus the fair value gap. That's why you should have entered your trade. Where here, long position, stop loss here. Then TP you can target 1:5 at least. You see? Or you can just go to 15 minutes or 5 minutes time frame to look for what? For your TP. Check TP. Here, this we have an order block over here. This order block could have been your what? Your take profit. Here. Let's go back to a 1 minute time frame. So yeah, guys, as you can see, the market did what? Yeah, TP was hit. Check. Simple, guys. So basically your TP will be hit like in like, let me check, 50 minutes. Then you are done with this trade. And you can also add what? More positions. When you see this break of structure to the upside, then what? An order block over here. Another trade over here. You see? This is how simple is this strategy, that guys. You see? So yeah. Then let's go to our New York session. I say on your New York session, you mark your what? Your 4 p.m. South African time to what? To your 5 p.m. South African time. That's where you're going to look for your trades between these two time zones. You see? What do we have over here? We have a break of structure to the downside. You see? Then liquidity sweep with what? With imbalance. As you can see over here, like this is an inversion. If you know what is an inversion, IFVG is the failed fair value gap. Because here we have a fair value gap. This one is a failed fair value gap. The market broke above it. You see? So immediate market does something like this. You do what? You enter the market from here. Immediate the market disrespects this fair value gap. You enter the market, your buy over here, stop loss over here, then your TPs. It can be here or here. So targeting what this highs is your take profits. You see? 1:5 RR. See? 1:5. TP hit. You see? So okay, let's just say you didn't like see any entry here. Boom. Market structure shift over here. What else? The market went back up. And also, what did it do? It did not come to our fair value gap, this fair value gap. It continued going higher. As the market is busy going high like this, you can see over here where the what break of structure to the upside. This break of structure with what? With an order block. This red candlestick is your order block. Entry. This is an opportunity to enter the market again. Enter from what? This order block, stop loss above here, below this low, I mean. Then TP 1 is to 5. You see? As easy as this, my friend. This is how you could have like managed to enter the market. You see? Simple as that. So let's go and check our CRT. Okay. Sorry guys. These are my indicators that I use. So our CRT, let's go to our 1 hour time frame. As I said that I use 1 hour time frame to trade my CRT. That's how I personally trade it. I don't know about you all. See? Okay. First CRT is this one, which happened around like 7 a.m. That's where you're going to take your trades around 7 a.m. Check your recent low, and recent high. The market swept the low and tapped where inside our opening gap. This gap, we have a gap here, as you can see, guys. We can call it what? A fair value gap. Or you can call this one what? A breaker block over here. The market tapped inside what? Our breaker block with what? Sweeping the CRT low. When it's done, let me just mark my vertical with my vertical line, this kind of stick. Around 7 a.m., we are going to go to what? To a 5 minutes time frame and look for what? Buying opportunities. On a 5 minutes. 1 minute. I mean like 5 minutes matches with what? 1 hour. So okay, you can clearly see that over here we have what? Check. Break of structure to the downside, ne? Liquidity sweep or total sweep over here, ne? Then it went back up, minor market structure shift. Then in this case, it confirmed that now it needs to go away higher. Then what do we have over here? We have a break of structure over here, followed by what? Followed by a fair value gap. As you can see over here, with what? We have a fair value gap. This one we can call it what? AVG. So you could have easily entered your market where on this fair value gap. Entry from this fair value gap, stop loss below this low over here. Then TP1, your CRT high. Then your TP2 can be what? Your this 5 minutes order block over here. SOTP. See, 1 is to 6 RR. But then mostly guys we take it 1 is to 5, as you all know. 1 is to 5. Yeah, 1 is to 5. RR. As simple as that, your TP is hit. Let's check another like opportunity. Okay, 1 hour time frame as usual. Let's check for CRT like okay, here's another one. Check. Fair value gap. We have a fair value gap over here. CRT low, CRT low, and what? CRT high. So what did the market do? The market went down, taking out our CRT low on our 1 hour time frame, taking out our CRT low, tapping inside what? A fair value gap. Then it closed inside the range. In this scenario, we are going to look for what? Buying opportunities again, guys. So let me just take this thing to my distribution candlestick around 5 p.m. Distribution candlestick. Okay, let me just go back to my what? 5 minutes time frame for entries. Okay. So on my 5 minutes, you can clearly see, guys, ne? that we have what? Break of total soup over here. Ne? Then what? Market structure shift over here. Market structure shift. After getting this market structure shift, ne, guys, what do we have? We have a fair value gap over here. We have what? We have a fair value gap. This one over here. So you wait for the market to tap inside this fair value gap. As you can see over here, it tapped inside our what? Our fair value gap. And also this fair value gap, guys, it's invalid. We cannot call it a valid fair value gap because why? Check. The market swept this liquidity over here. Because what? We have liquidity. We have a lot of liquidity over here, guys. So the market swept it with a wick, meaning that this is not a break of structure. And this fair value gap, you cannot use it. As you can see over here, it became what? An inversion. And went down and tapped inside our what? Our first fair value gap, which you can also say that we have a BPR, balanced price range. See, because why? We have a fair value gap number one over here, then fair value gap number two over here. This one we call it a BPR. You could have simply entered what your trade over here right now, currently, as I'm recording this video. Stop loss here, then TP1, your CRT high. We target what? 1:5 as always. So my TP1 will going to be what? Here, TP1 here, then TP2, TP3, TP4 over here. TP4. So yeah, guys, this is what you could have like done today. I personally did not trade today because I was busy with school stuff, you see. So yeah, I did not take these trades, guys. Yeah. So please make sure that you subscribe on this YouTube channel and also like the video, share the video with your friends, you see. Turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified next time I drop a video. So with that being said, I might just end the video right here, guys. So please comment down below where you don't understand or where you need a clarification on so that I can assist you guys to make money. You see. So let's chop things up, guys. Peace out.